In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to view Wells Fargo credit card activity. Let's get started. First, launch your Wells Fargo app or navigate to the official website of Wells Fargo. Provide your account credentials and log into your account. On the account page, you will find the account activity or recent transaction section. Here you can view recent purchases, payments you have made, refunds, credits, and any pending transaction that hasn't been posted yet. To see more information about a specific transaction, simply tap or click on it. Depending on the transaction, you will be able to view details such as the merchant name, transaction amount, transaction date, posting date, and any additional merchant information. If you want to review older activity, use the search or filter options to view transactions from a specific date range or billing cycle. You can also open your monthly credit card statements to see a complete record of all posted transactions. For added convenience, you can enable account alerts in Wells Fargo app or website. These alerts can notify you whenever your card is used, when a payment is posted, or when your balance reaches a certain amount. If you notice a transaction that you don't recognize, review the details carefully. Sometimes merchant names appear differently from the store where you made the purchase. If the charge still looks suspicious, you can report it through the Wells Fargo app or website or contact Wells Fargo customer service for assistance. And that's it. This way you can view Wells Fargo credit card activity and monitor your account whenever you need. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.